Scratchy Scratch Time. What's up, everybody? Scratchy Scratch Time. Featured edition. Whoop whoop. Guy Harvey edition. What's going on, everybody? There's a little bit of daylight coming through the window, and I got my other lights on. See them glaring off the ticket there. So I got some, featured edition. Super Ultra Mega Sponsor Elevator Geek 762 has sponsored this episode of Scratchy Scratch Time. And I really appreciate it because he's the best Super Ultra Mega sponsor ever. I also have a new sponsor. I don't have his name right now, but he will be in the next video. I appreciate all you guys watching Bloggy Blog Time. I hope you like Bloggy Blog Time. Please leave some comments below what you'd like me to talk about in my blogs. What else? Scratchy Scratch Time Featured Edition. Again, Elevator Geek 762. Please go to his channel. Please like his videos. Please subscribe to his channel. If it wasn't for him, there'd be a lot fewer episodes of these because I do not have a job and can't really afford lottery tickets right now. So that's why I'm doing the Bloggy Blogs times. I just do them with my phone. So I got 5 $2 Guy Harvey tickets. I guess this guy's an artist or something. So this one's nice. Nice little swordfish or marlin or whatever the hell that is. And the dolphin fish right there. And then we got cute little alligator. That's a pretty nice drawing. And then we got, that is a, what the hell is that thing? That is a Jewfish, I think. I think that's a Jewfish. I was in class today and someone said, and one guy's a fisherman. And the other student asked him, how big does the fish have to be to become a Jewfish? And I'm like, it only has to make it to its bar mitzvah and get circumcised. Waha! Looks like we got a hammerhead shark there. Those things are ugly. They're like a deformed shark. And we got some dolphins. Alright, let's do the funnest part of the ticket. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I love ripping tickets. Again, this episode is sponsored by Elevator Geek 762. Please watch his videos. Please like his videos. He ambushes elevators, and he also scratches lottery tickets, and he scratches a lot of lottery tickets and doesn't talk. A lot of people who don't like me talking, they say, dude, scratch the ticket already, dude. You fucking talk too much, dude. You never win, and you suck, and you waste my time, dude. And I don't know how to use fast forward, and my IQ's about 45, dude. Come on, man. Scratch the ticket, dude. Come on. So, anyway, here we go. The most boring part of the video, in my opinion, but let's do this anyway. Guy Harvey, enter for a chance to win a Grand Cayman sport fishing trip with Guy Harvey or other prizes. Last day to enter, August 19, 2013. You see the back for details. Woohoo! So there's the details. Overall odds, 104.37. Match any numbers, either of the winning numbers. Win the prize shown for that number. Get a palm tree symbol. Win the prize shown for that symbol automatically. Get a sailboat symbol and win all 10 prizes shown. Alright guys, which one you want first? I'm gonna go with the hammerhead. Get him out of the way because he's ugly. Okay? Ticket number 1, Scratchy Scratch Time Featured Edition Elevator Geek 762. Super Ultra Mega Sponsor. We're about to win 50 grand, geek. That'd be nice, wouldn't it? Today I'm gonna be using my Una Onza Plata Pura, 1986, Mexico, Ley, .999, 999, Estados Unidos Mexicanos, and on the side it says, Libertad y Independencia, Liberty and Independence, something we don't have here. Tomorrow's Independence Day, by the way, and it's a shame that tomorrow should be the day that everyone gets together and goes down to the city hall or wherever, government building, and says, listen, we're sick of all the police state, we're sick of all these bullshit laws, we're sick of the fact that we have to pay for your permission to travel on our own vehicles, we have to pay a yearly rent on our so-called private property and pay you for permission to travel on our private vehicle. Private doesn't even mean private anymore in this country, and the fact that we're celebrating independence in this country is a sham to begin with, because we haven't had independence in a long time. So anyway, ticket number 1, Guy Harvey, Featured Edition. Here we go, winning numbers. 19 and 5. 14. 11. 8. 9. 17, 4, 13, 6, 16, and 2. Gay hammerhead shark. All right, which one we want next? We got dolphins, swordfish. I'm gonna save the gator for last because he's the coolest one. So I'm gonna go, and then I'm gonna save the dolphins because they're really cool and friendly. And then let's go with the Jewfish. Let's get the Jewfish out the way, okay? Jewfishes are kind of stingy. Racist. Oh my God. Oh my God, he said the J word. He's anti-Semitic. He made a racist joke. Oh my God. It wasn't an it was a Goliath joke. Ticket number 2, Jewfish. Winning numbers 9 and 14. 4, 3, 1, 11, 12. Come on, don't be stingy. 10, 2, 17, 16, 13. Bye. Jewfish. Alright, here we go. Swordfish with a dolphin fish. Ticket number 3. 11, 4, 3, 10, 1, 6, 9, 7, 12, 8, 19. Uh-oh, palm tree. Uh-oh, palm tree. Whoa! Dog. Geek. Please let this be like each one of these say 5,000 underneath. You know how awesome that would be, dude? Do you know how awesome that'd be if each one of them said 5,000? I'd come visit you in person, dude, and shake your hand. I'm going to save that one. I know you guys want to see that, and the next two are probably going to be losers, but palm tree. Alright, here's some dolphins. Ticket number 4, winning numbers 7 and 12, 17, 19, 16, 2, 14. I just had a huge salad, so please excuse my flatulence. 7, $2. Whoop whoop. Pull over that ass, too fat. Another winner. 10, 5, 7, $2. Whoop whoop. Pull over that ass too fast. So that's 4. Nice. Alright, let's keep it rolling here. Ticket number 5. An exciting, finally a winner. Right, Mr. Villa? You like that shit? Take it. Yeah. You like that, Mr. Bob? Huh, Mr. Bob? How about I spell your name backwards, bitch? Winning ticket number 5. We're already up $4, and we have another ticket with a palm tree, which means all 10 prizes, and I know they all say 5,000 underneath them. We'll find out in a minute. Ticket number 5. Winning numbers 3 and 20. 19, 9, 7, 16, 6, 8, 17, 12, 5, and 11. Gator sucks. Alright, so we got $4 on this one. On the nice little dolphins. It's Flipper. He comes with lots of prizes. He wins you little $4. Hey, whoop. Alright. You guys are dying. Again, this episode of SST is sponsored by Elevator Geek 762. Please go to his channel. Please like his videos. Please subscribe. If it wasn't for him, there'd be far fewer episodes of SST. So we got a palm tree, and we're hoping that it says 5,000 under each one of these, so that we win our 50,000, and I can go hook Geek up with his half. So here we go. Oh, 10, 100. Oh shit! 30, 20. Oh my God! $1,000 Holy sheep shit, Batman! 25, 4, 40, 30. Please let this one be like 10 grand. Please, God, Jesus, help me. $2. Holy shit! Holy shit, geek! Woohoo! Tell me I didn't read that wrong. Oh, I fucking read that wrong. Oh my god. Oh my god, I totally read that wrong. It's not a sailboat. Oh my god. Man, Man, I hope the fucking neighbors didn't hear that shit. I really thought I just won every prize there. What a fucking douchebag I am. Holy douchebag I am. Ah, get a palm tree symbol and win the prize shown for that symbol automatically. So I won $2. Oh my god. I had the palm tree. Oh my god, dude. I can't. Oh my god. I'm going to go play in traffic now. So there you go. I won $2. Dude, I totally thought the palm tree meant I won every prize. And when I scratched that $1,000, holy shit. At least I know what it feels like to win $1,000 now. Oh, $2, so $6 total, and I thought I won like $1,500. Oh my god, what a dumbass I am. Holy crap, fucking gay Harvey mother effer and freaking son of a biscuit munching goat smelling mother humper. Damn it, man! So there's my totally embarrassing Scratchy Scratch time. I hope you're all happy. I'm sure you're all laughing your ass off. I wonder if you guys thought, I wonder how many of you thought that I had won all this money too. Or were you all saying, oh my god, he thinks he won all the prizes, what a dumbass. Especially when that said $2. I'm like, how are they all going to be that and that one's going to be $2? Motherfucking son of a motherfucker. So there you go. There's the worst edition of Scratchy Scratch time ever. I thought I won a shit ton of money there, and I won $6. Geek, man, I was about to donate about $200, $250, $300 to you. Pay some of my credit card off there. Oh my, that's just what I needed, was about that much money. And of course, I'm stupid and I didn't read. Oh my god, I feel so stupid. Anyway, I suck. I'm gonna go play in traffic, and yeah, that's great. I'm sure you guys would love that episode. I'm sure you're laughing your asses off at me and telling your old lady, man, John, he's so stupid. He thought he won all these prizes. He thought he won over $1,000, and turned out to be that he just illiterate. All right, Geek, thanks for sponsoring this episode, guys. Go to his channel. He's the man. I wouldn't have won the $6 if it wasn't for him. And to the new sponsor, dude, I'll get your ticket as soon as I can, probably tomorrow, and I'll make a video tomorrow. Thank you very much, everybody, all the subscribers. Please like and subscribe. Go to my Facebook and become my friend. Thanks again, Geek. All right, everybody, see you later. I'm a loser. Bye-bye.
It's scratch time. Watch that little baby. Need me some time. Scratch time. Move to John. It's scratch time. Yo, come on. It's scratch time. It's John. It's scratch time. Yo, come on.